Hello, this is Kelly from Root Pursuit, and today we're going to be making these sunset backgrounds with our stamping inks. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so here's our examples that we have so far, and then the different sunset color combinations that you can use, and then here's a few extra ones. So you can kind of freeze on this frame and see which one you maybe have colors for or just appeals to you and what you like. So there's so many different stamps that you can use. I think the lines, you can use, you know, your corrugated cardboard stamper, if you have that, and just do the whole page with lines. That would be good, and then just have a writing surface. Otherwise, you can do, like I use the Leaning Tower of Pisa and the Golden Gate Bridge, I believe that is, and then also a background stamp to just cover the whole thing, which makes a nice background, and you can put a little something there. Another thing are trees look really good, and the stamps look really the best if you use black. So if you have a nice black ink pad, that works really well. And then any kind of person or animal, I have like the fox and the bunnies work really well in black, and then it's sort of silhouetted. It's a nice silhouette against the background. So yeah, there's lots of ideas and ways that you can do this and kind of create your own little mixed media blendy things. And you'll notice at some points I kind of crinkled the paper, and it really just adds to the effect. You really can't do it wrong. So I hope you found some inspiration from this, and as always, thanks for coming along. And if you are interested in seeing more videos, you can go ahead and subscribe. That would be great. And you can also check out my Etsy shop. The link is in the description to see what junk journal items I have for sale in there. And I will talk to you later.